أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu viewers. In our previous video we have done lesson number 6 definition, and I told you that lesson number 6 is the grand exercise of all the previous 5 lessons. In our today's video, I will be teaching you some examples of lesson number 6. All of the words, they are taken from the Holy Quran, and these words will help you to understand the next coming lessons and also to recite the Holy Quran nicely, inshallah. So we start from the first box. This is Noon Fathana, Za Fathaza. It is Naza, and then Lam Fathalla. Altogether it is Nazala. The rule is that, saying the word, the rule is that first you read the first letter, then the second letter, and then join the sounds of these two letters together, and then go for the third one. If you mix up all of them, so then might be the sound of the word will be confusing, and also you will not be understanding the words nicer. So this is why first go for the first letter, then the second letter, and then join the letters together, and then go for the third or fourth or fifth one, like that. So this is Nazala. Now the second box is Kha Fatha Kha, Lam Fatha La. It is Khala, and then Qaf Fatha Qa. Together Khalaqa, Khalaqa. Remember these letters which are written in blue, they are heavy letters, because the qaida which I'm using is the colored one. So this color will help you to understand the letters. Blue color is written over here because they are the heavy letters, they are bold or thicker voice letter, you can say. So this is Khalaqa. Next one is Sad Fatha Sa, Dal Fatha Da. It is Sada, Sada. See, I'm using two letters sound together first, and then I'm doing the third one, because this is the good way and this is the actual way of reading a word. Sada, and then Qaf Haqqa. Altogether it is Sadaqa. Next one is Ya Fathaya, then Dal Fathada. Together it is Yada, and then Kaf Fathaka. Altogether it is Yadaka. Then it is Ba Fathaba, Lam Fathalla. Together Bala, Bala. See, when lam is used in the middle of the letter, so the full shape of the letter is not used. Only the tip of the letter, you can say half shape of the lam is used. So this is Bala, lam in between, Bala, and then Ghain Fatha Gha. Altogether Balagha, Balagha. Next one is Ta, Ta Fatha Ta, and then Ba Fatha Ba, Taba. Next one is Ain Fatha. So altogether Taba'a, Taba'a. We are going to do the second line, and I'm making the words a little more bigger because I want the small kids to understand and see the words nicer with full concern, so they can thoroughly understand the shapes of the letters, and when they are using in the small shape or the half shape of the letters, how they are to be pronounced. So the second row starts from Jim Fatha. Next is Ain Fatha. So together Ja'a, Ja'a, and then Lam Fathalla, Ja'ala. Next one is Fa Fatha Fa, Ain Fatha. It is Fa, and then Lam Fathalla. Altogether it is Fa'ala. The next word is Noon Fathana. Remember, this is Noon. The difference between it is also, it looks like Za, but this is not Za over here, this is Noon. The difference I tell you is when it is connected with any other letter coming after, so this is definitely Noon. But if it is not connected, if it is separate from the next letter, so then it is Za. Here it is Noon because it is connected with the next letter Dha. So Noon Fathana, Dha Fatha Dha. Together Nadha, Nadha, and then Ra Fatha Ra. Altogether it is Nadhara, Nadhara. Now we are going to do these words without the signs, these three words which we just read. This is Ja'ala, Ja'ala. Next one Fa'ala, Fa'ala, and the next one is Nadhara, Nazara. I'm moving the page to the other side of the line because there are 3 more boxes in the same row, and the one which is after nazara, that is zal. This is zal. Zal fatha za. See, this zal is also separate. This is called za. If it is connected, it looks like noon as well when it is connected, because there is one dot over and noon is having one dot over, and when it is used in the small shape, so this looks like zal in the from the beginning. But this is not noon over here. This is zal because this is separate. This is separate from the other letter coming after. So zal fatha za, and then kaf fatha ka. The small shape of ka used like letter Z or letter ya. It looks like ya, but it's not ya, it is kaf. This is the half shape of kaf. Kaf, ka together, zaka, and then the last letter is ra, ra, zakara, this ra is written over here. It is heavy. It is not heavy itself, like naturally it is not a heavy letter, but because of some conditions which we will learn in lesson number 16 about tafkhim and tarqiq, there it is told that why ra is heavy. When ra is having fatha or dhamma over, so ra is to be read heavily. But when there is kasra underneath, so it is to be read lighter. Here it is heavy because of the rule of tafkhim. So altogether it is zakara. Next one is kaf, haka, and then sin, fatha sa, together, kasa, and last letter is ba, fatha ba, all together it is kasaba. Now the last word of the second row is hamza kasra e. Remember, this is hamza because when alif it is having any sign over or under, so we don't say it alif, we say it hamza. So over here the sign is kasra underneath, we say it hamza kasra e, and then ba kasra b, together eb, and then the last letter is lam kasra li. So all together it is ebili. Now I'm making the page again smaller to show you the lesson of today in one row, and that is from the beginning. We did the first 2 lines. I'm highlighting them with the red rectangle. The first 2 lines which we just did with the signs and without the signs we have done. So the first 2 lines is our today's lesson in the video. Inshallah, in the next video of lesson number 6 we will be doing more examples, because as I told you earlier that these examples will be very helpful for you in future to complete this basic qaida and also to recite and start the Holy Quran nicer, inshallah. Hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.